Okay, so the fender flares came and it was kind of disappointing because these ones are super wide. And my wheels are out as far as they're gonna go unless I get fatter tires. And the front ones are like not out as wide. And these wheels will be getting spacers anyways, so it'd look good. And then if you put a front one on the back wheel, it looks a lot better, I think. So I think the plan is to put front flares on all 4 wheel wells. But that means I have to wait for new front ones to come in the mail. So this is how it would look with both the smaller ones on it.
Just start chopping it. Give it the hammer. Okay? You got that? You understand? Okay. Bottom line.
We out here flaring Fender.
True.
What if they don't go in?
Dude, just fuck it. Right. Fuck it, YOLO.
YOLO.
Yeah, you gotta go ham.
Gotta get cooking. We out here breathing, nothing doing. Tab pantsing, Snapchatting, just driving. Dude, what you got in there? Got that
lean?
Lean? Yeah.
Fuck, this is terrifying. I don't want to be here anymore. I think you should do it like this. You should go surface and like just keep working it down until you're through.
We back in this bitch.
We back up in this bitch. I got clocked in the face. I'm done. I'm done filming from here. Fuck that. It was like this close.
Dude, we're cooking with Quentin. How do you feel about that?
I feel about that. This is some big boy shit.
This is so violent.
Alright, everyone just dipped out to McDonald's, but I'm still here chopping away. It's kind of dark in here. Turn on the lights. So I'm just putting on the rear ones for now until I get the front ones back in the mail. It's gonna look kind of goofy, I guess, but I just wanted to do this because I've been waiting so long for these to come. It's hard doing this to your own car, but that's what you gotta do, I guess. Sorry we were so late on this video, guys.
We were sawing through a hanger.
We're like 40. We drill holes how? With a drill.
21.
Alright, what's the instructions?
Spammo.
We're cooking now, boys. Bungo.
I dig it. That's gonna look so good.
Because the clean is supposed to dirty up. We out here.
We're here for great stuff.
You guys got great stuff? Yeah, everywhere.
Leak stopper, flow coat, Pro Select.
Great.
Quentin, how do you feel about the great stuff that you just got?
Dude, eat it.
So we got both the wells cut out, and we just put some stuff inside there called Great Stuff. It's like a expanding foam thing. We just put it in there so that no water could get in there, and then we're gonna go over it with tape just in case.
But not any tape though. Gorilla tape. Shout out to Great Stuff.
Shout out to Grillos.
Shout out to Otter Pops.
Go over to the wells. Quick.
You happy with it?
Hell yeah. And we could even drop it some more.
Oh yeah.